Okay, you're looking at the dashboard in my 2025 Honda Prologue Elite. It's an electric vehicle, and I want you to notice a couple of things, all right? Down here, the car was just fully charged, and I went on a short trip. Full charge, well, not full charge, but 80% charge on this car gets me 229 miles of range. It could be more if I went to 100%, but it recommends that you only go to 80%. So that was 229. I want to show you this interesting energy screen if you don't know about it, okay? I just took a almost 21 mile trip. I averaged, now this is where your MPG comes in on an electric vehicle, okay? Your car may be getting 20 MPG, but in this case, on an electric vehicle, you measure that in how many miles you get per 1,000 watts, okay? So I averaged 3 miles for every 1,000 watts that I burned. And the interesting part of this is that over the course of that 20.7 miles, the car recharged itself almost 7 miles, okay? So when you think about it, do the math, 20 minus 7, roughly 13. 13 added to 216 is 229, okay? So that's how it comes up with that. Now, let me show you how you get to the screen. I'm going to hit home. This is your home screen that you're used to seeing. You want to come into vehicle status, which is right here. And you have energy usage, and you have energy efficiency. If you click this screen, that's exactly where we're going to pull this up, right? Now you have the option of adding this to the driver display. And if I click add to the driver display, that's going to show up over here, but not quite with the detail this is. But let's take a look at it. Now we see it over here. Now I'm going to remove it from the display because I don't want it there. But I just thought I'd share with you how you determine how much charge your car is doing. So every time you lift your foot off the gas, whether it's all the way or the throttle, whether it's all the way off or just a little bit, you have this thing here called power and charge. Power and charge. Right now it's sitting in the middle, and the car sitting here doing nothing burns 1,000 watts an hour. Okay. Every time you lift off the brake, that dips down into the green. That means you're recharging, regenerating. That comes over to here. Every time you step on the fuel accelerator, that's going to go that way, which means you're burning electricity. I hope you found this informative, and you can at least find where to look for these on your own Prologue. Other than that, have a great day.